little tug of war competition. Give it up. First up, sophomores versus juniors.
Yes, sophomores! Yeah, juniors!
Who thinks sophomores are gonna win? Let me hear it.
Aisha!
Going nutty, dumbing out. Take the wrong turn and get your boots on. Old school dance goes over me and my crew. Some stoners we get high like Shaq from Scooby. Get a whiskey and I'm bit. I ain't got no patience with like I'm a couple of socks short of my time and I shoot. You don't go in like a shower from the ground, but when those scams don't deals be going sour. We can't swiggle, one metal power, once the fans go. Cause I'm gonna nickel 6 bucks an hour. From the ruler to the tutor, he's the driver and the shooter on me. I put my cooler. All I got is like posse, trio, phone sidekicks and ringtones. Go hard, I go hard. Go hard. Go hard, go hard, go hard. Go hard, go hard, go hard. Go hard, go hard, go hard. Go hard.
I had this looking forward to my way. I know. I think we can go down there. It's like,
Now, for introduction, we've got your 2009 ASB President. A few special announcements. Give it up. Give it up. What's up, North?
Alright, we got some crazy things going on this year. We got a brand new turf, brand new principal, and we're going all out with the homecoming carnival this year. Now let me give it up to you. The winning class today are gonna get free tickets to the carnival. Give it up. Free tickets for the carnival. The carnival's gonna be on the homecoming game, which will be October 23rd. So let's see who the winning class will be.